Morning, y'all. About 10:40, September 28th, 2022, and we should be having the Hurricane Ian today. Expecting more significant weather impact here as the day progresses. Let's see, wind's picking up slightly. Pretty quiet here on Ellis Island. A couple of holdouts. Our neighbors over there, I think, are in there. Obviously, that street usually has got cars on it. Neighbors over here are staying. We're going to do a little drive around here, check everything out, see where the water level is. We're out here on the channel. Too crazy yet. 30-mile-an-hour winds, 30 miles an hour. Just the car. Driving around here. You can see there's still cars out on the road. Some houses are boarded up. Got some people out on the street. Looks like this guy's taking his pooch has got a raincoat too. Look at that.
That's funny.
Yeah.
That's cute.
Nice. Let's see the wind here.
Quite a bit of debris.
Yeah. Still not a lot on like a bad summer storm yet. Still early in the coming on shore of the hurricane. Now this is definitely never seen the canal like this before. Real low tide, extremely low. I'd say I've never seen it this low in the 35 years that we've been here.